If you also want your Tesla to be like a racing car and can replace various personalized steering wheels, you must not miss this product. This is the latest specially developed Tesla Model 3Y by Teslasy. The quick-release steering wheel base, height 68mm, and the carbon fiber custom button bracket allow it to retain the original steering wheel button control method. It can also match a variety of quick-release brackets and universal steering wheels on the market, such as NRG, Momo, North Dakota, OMP, etc. Let's see how to install it. First, use 2 screwdrivers under the steering wheel to push out the airbag spring. Remove the airbag, and then unplug the airbag plug and steering wheel button panel plug. Then use a professional torque wrench to unscrew the steering column screws and remove the steering wheel. Remove the steering wheel panel, then unscrew the component screws and remove the button components and wiring harness. Then assemble the button components to the carbon fiber panel. When tightening the screws, be careful not to tighten them too tightly. Make sure the buttons can work properly by turning them left and right. When installing the steering wheel base, make sure the logo is on the left side, then align the gear installation and tighten the steering column screws. Remove the steering wheel panel wire harness speaker interface. Remove the control box casing and tie it up with tape to isolate the source. Remove the airbag connector and connect a resistor to ensure there are no airbag fault codes. Then connect the panel plug and airbag plug, put the control module and other wiring harnesses into the space inside, and install the carbon brazing panel to fix it. What is used here is the universal version of Teslasy's quick release bracket. Then install the universal quick release to the universal steering wheel. Let me share with you my actual driving experience after replacing the custom steering wheel. Compared with the original factory steering wheel, it will have more precise directionality. Because the sponge of the plate is relatively tight, the overall feeling when you hold it is hard, and the texture is... There are not so many empty spaces between the fingers. You must try this kind of steering wheel, and you will know the advantages. If you have any thoughts, you can discuss them in the comment area. See you next time.